We go to our primetime news follow-up now. A man has been charged with a multi-million-dollar cocaine seizure in Montego Bay, St. James, while the police are searching for another in relation to the cash and drugs found in a house in St. James. As Jamaica Maitland explains, he is no stranger to the police.
Oral Johnson from Garden District, Westmoreland, has been charged with possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine, taking steps to export cocaine and trafficking cocaine. Johnson, who is said to be a Montego Bay businessman, was arrested on April 26 when police intercepted a vehicle he was driving in Coral Garden, St. James. In it contained 24 pounds of cocaine with an estimated street value of about 82.5 million Jamaican dollars. But that was only the beginning of the search. The police were led to a property in the community where wads of cash in foreign currencies were found. At a press conference on Tuesday, head of the crime portfolio DCP Fitz Bailey says the investigation is ongoing. As it relates to the cash seizure,
depends on the type of offenses. The Financial Investigation Division do get involved, and they will make the appropriate application to the court for the seizure of the cash once it represents proceeds of crime.
Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson also clarified the final figure of the cash seized after media reports of a higher amount.
The counting process took quite a few days to get through. As you could see from the sheer volume of cash, that would take a while. And so the final tally was 3.8 plus $1 million. So it was a small amount over 3.8 million US dollars plus 30,000 Canadian dollars.
According to investigators, the house where the money was found is owned by Presley Bingham, otherwise called the Presser. TVJ News visited the location of the mansion, which sits on several acres of land. No one appeared to be home at the time. Neither did we see any police guarding the house where $600 million in cash was hidden in a room just a week before. But this is not Mr. Bingham's first run-in with the law. Back in 2010, the United States government filed an application for his extradition, along with Tivoli's Christopher Dudus Coke, citing that they were a major player in the narco trade between Jamaica and the U.S. The government at the time denied the request. And before that, in 2007, Bingham was wanted again by the U.S. after he was fingered by others as being involved in the drug world. That request was also denied, which brings us to Wednesday, more than a decade later, and the police are asking Presley Bingham to turn himself in. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.